Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Princess desk telephone, and this is Ron's equipment from Washington, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And since this is the initial checkout, we want to go through a little bit about what needs to be done. Now, the modular line port of this telephone is broken, and so we want to replace that modular port. And the telephone does not have a polarity protect circuit, so we want to install a polarity protect circuit in this unit. We also want to go through the hook switch. We're going to check the network. We want to make sure all of our connections are tight and that they're proper. We want to take a look at the bell, the handset cord, the transmit, and the receive. So we want to go through the entire telephone while this unit is in the shop. And we're going to be doing some still pictures of this telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool original style Princess telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Princess telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to run through a little bit about what went on with this unit. We went ahead and replaced the modular line port for the line cord. We knew that that port was broken, and we're going to set that to the side. And while we were troubleshooting the telephone, we noticed that the very bottom of the handset port was broken. And so we wanted to replace that too. And what happens is the plastic that they're made from, over time and with age, they start to become brittle. And so we wanted to replace that plug. It was still catching the clip on the handset cord, and with some use it would have broken, and so for preventive maintenance we went ahead and just replaced the modular handset port. Now, we also had an issue with the hook switch. Now, we want to go ahead and show you that when the unit came in, it was only coming up about halfway on our hook switch. And basically what we found was one of the finger contacts that ride inside of the hook switch was actually bent backwards, and it was restricting the hook switch from raising all the way like it is now, and it was only coming up about halfway, and it was very sluggish. So we took care of the hook switch issue. We also cleaned it, checked all of our connections at the network, made sure they were tight and that they were proper. We also installed a polarity protect circuit, and we tucked that circuit up underneath the keypad, and we'll go ahead and do some still pictures of that situation. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any interference or static noise in the atmosphere. And when I go ahead and press the button, you may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. It's pretty quiet today. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the open amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is we can use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call it time and temp. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Wednesday, August 16th. The current time, 6:37 p.m. and the temperature, 81 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool original style Princess telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Ron and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.